Let's discuss about the test paper which can be downloaded from NID's website. The DAT Prelims for UG program has two parts. One is part 1, another one is part 2. Let's discuss about part 1, which is all of multiple choice questions. The first question is purpose of Kyoto Protocol is. This is again about environmental issues. A treaty happened at Kyoto in Japan. So this will mark into current affairs. The next question is which of the following is not an embroidery tradition of India? So we need to study traditional textiles of India, where embroidery textiles, resist dye textiles, printed textiles and woven textiles are there, so that we will be able to answer this. So we'll mark this question separately into a section called traditional textiles of India. Let's move to the next question. Identify the form of the painting and the state it is from. So to understand the various forms of the painting, we need to study art and culture and heritage. So we mark this question into a category called art, culture and heritage.